Hello, my name's Lauren from Stoke Audi and today we'll be showing you around this showstopper approved used Audi Q7 S line 55 TFSI quattro. It comes dressed in the sleek auric black, sure to turn heads when on the road. And at the time of this recording, the car's done 29,473 miles, standing on 20-inch alloy wheels with a 5-spoke design, making a bold statement with every turn. For added convenience, the power-operated tailgate makes loading and unloading a breeze when those hands are full with just a click of a button. Showing you the boot area, as you can see, there is plenty of space for your every day-to-day needs. Now this car does have 7 seats, so if you require more boot space or seat space for friends and family or those getaways, then this is the perfect car for you to get all of your luggage in. To the rear, you have the stylish leather upholstery with the ISOFIX anchor point to easily install your child's car seat. Taking a look around, as you can see, there is plenty of head and leg space for both children and adults alike. To the front of the vehicle, you have the 3-spoke multifunction steering wheel with the Audi virtual cockpit, and to the centre of the car's dash, the MMI multimedia display and climate control system. Sink into the driver's seat with the running theme of the leather upholstery with the iconic S embossed logo and front centre armrest. Not forgetting the electric seat adjustments and the 4-way lumbar for added support and comfort. Behind the wheel, you have the 3-spoke multifunction steering wheel with the controls to the Audi virtual cockpit right at the driver's fingertips and a gear shift pedal for a more convenient drive. The Audi virtual cockpit displaying key features in the driver's view, such as a wide view of the satellite navigation map, so no need to take your eyes off the road. Connection of your mobile phone device to stay in touch with friends and family on the go, and a wide variety of your favourite DAB and FM radio stations to choose from. The MMI display going into phone apps, for wireless use of Apple CarPlay or Android Auto by connection of the car's Bluetooth. In the car menu, with Audi Drive Select to choose your preferred driving mode, such as dynamic for a more sporty drive. Parking aid for front and rear volume settings of low, medium and high to help fit in those tight spaces. And driver assist to give you those pre-warnings on the road ahead. Media to have all your favourite apps stored in one place. Radio to choose from your favourite DAB radio station. Telephone to stay in touch with friends and family, and the navigation map to help you easily find your desired destination. Below, you have the 4-zone climate control, so both driver and passenger can choose their preferred temperature regardless of the weather outside, with the added luxury of the heated seats for those chillier mornings, with a hidden compartment with 2 handy cup holders and a 12-volt charging point, finished off with the all-important automatic gearbox and an electric parking brake, adding a modern flair to the car's profile. If this is a car for you, call today on 01782 488 205. Thank you.